Hey, how's it going? All good. Well, welcome to a new Rockbot class. In this class, we're going to look at how to use Excel and XLSX commands and what the difference is between each of them. Alright, to start, I'm going to show you exactly the file I have here ready for us to test with. We're going to see that this is an Excel file where we have, specifically, the test column, where we'll determine which module is being used, the command, and the message provided by that command. And the command as well, in this case, Excel and XLSX. We'll see that they work in the same way. Alright, let's close this and do the following. Let's start with, we have two robots here that are empty. One is named Excel and the other is XLSX. Basically, the difference between each of them is how you want to work. The robot in this case, since Excel works as long as you have the Excel application installed and also that it's active on the account on that computer. And XLSX, on the other hand, you don't necessarily need to have it installed because it doesn't work with the application open in the background, unlike Excel, which does. So, if you have, for example, a Mac or Linux, or even if you have Microsoft but don't have an active account, you can use this command and keep working with all the XLSX or Excel files you want to open and work with, obviously. Alright, let's do the following. We're going to open an Excel file, in this case. Let's open it like this. Let's come here, download test. Let's open it and we'll see that it works with the application open in the background. Here you'll already be able to open it, see it open, and we can see that it opened correctly. Alright, now we close it. This is just for demonstration purposes for now. And in the commands, specifically when using XSLX, it's used, it works the same way, but without having the application open in the background. Let's see, for example, let's open the file in this case. And we'll see that if I run it, it opens correctly. Alright, we can see that the application here isn't open in the background, so, it's working, but not necessarily with the application itself. Okay, let's do the following. Let's open this Excel file, and let's do the same steps in both cases. Let's open it and let's write, for example, in the cell, let's see which one it is. It's B2 in this case. B2. Message written with the module. With the command, Excel command. Alright, let's look here and let's save this result. Let's save it in the same file, okay? Let's replace it so that this result is finalized, and let's see that if I run it, for example, let's run this. Right away, let's see that it runs correctly. Message written with the Excel command. Alright, we close it and now we're going to do the same thing, but with XSLX. Okay, let's go to the XSLX commands. We're going to write, in this case, in B3. Message written with the XSLX command. Alright. We're going to save it, right in the same file we're working on, and let's see. Let's run everything at once, the whole thing, and let's see what result it gives. And let's run everything again. And let's see here that if I open it, in this case, let's check out what we did with the command, with the Excel module, and with the XSLX command. Alright, I hope this was helpful for you. See you in the next class. Thank you very much.